Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Nuril Ashikin. Will present problem segments of my project with the title Development of Poverty Indicator with Aggregated Weight and its relationship with Poverty Index scores using Beta Regression model. First of all, poverty generally is the situation of one who are lack of a level amount of money or material condition. Recently, around 25,000 people in the world are dying every day because of hunger. These people are starving because they were trapped in poverty. They are also unable to work as usual and became poorer for the next generations. This is like a vicious cycle of poverty that is endless. As Malaysia has the vision to be a developed nation in 2020, there is the need to shift from addressing the absolute poverty to relative poverty. On top of that, in Peninsular Malaysia, such as Kelantan, Terengganu, Perlis and Kedah, still recorded higher incidence of poverty than the national average, so that poverty in Malaysia have been studied in many kinds of method approach, such as principal component analysis, fuzzy logic, comparative analysis, spatial distribution, and regression analysis. Furthermore, there are also few studies have been conducted in smaller area which were district in Terengganu and Kelantan, since there is no reliable evidence that poverty index have been studied in smaller area in Kedah unless the study are conducted in northern region of Peninsular Malaysia. Therefore, my study is able to fill this gap by developing the poverty index among district in Kedah by using rank order centroid subjective and Shannon entropy objective weighting method. The estimation of criteria weight is considered as the most important phase in developing index. The indicators such as strata, head of household age, education, employed, skills, disease, disabled, and household size are the indicators that have been given the priority. In order to model relationship between poverty indicators and poverty index scores, the regression modeling will be applied. However, the OLS or ordinary least square regression is not appropriate for regression with a bounded dependent variable, such as index variables. In order to avoid bias estimator and hypothesis tests, regression techniques that are suitable to the analysis of bounded outcome are needed. As the poverty index lies between 0 and 1, therefore this study will apply the beta regression to analyze the relationship between poverty indicators and poverty index scores. That's all from me. Thank you.